Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day. It will make something I was making, my gnocchi. I was making by myself. And tonight we want to make gnocchi with the guanciale, zucchini, and the tomato. It's my home tomato from my garden. And I also pick it up. Look how beautiful. And I got my oil baby, and I use my basil. And we got to use pecorino cheese. And before we start, I want to say salute e cin cin ad everybody. Cin cin. I'll put a drop of oil, not too much. Okay. Sommarna. Okay, and this is the guanciale. And I want to make it nice and take all the fat out. And look at this, the guanciale. Okay, the water boil, but we gotta wait a little bit. Got the gnocchi, this is all making gnocchi, not stay too long. And we put 1,
hello, Leslie.
2, and 3 teaspoons. I'll leave this over here, after I gotta use it over the tomato.
Somebody's asking, what is guanciale?
Guanciale, in my city, we call it, this some yards of the pork. Yards, it's this, it's the
cheek.
Guanciale, the cheek, big cheek. It's this, the cheek. It's really good. And the guanciale, it got so much different taste, the bacon, everything. The guanciale got a really, really good taste. It's okay. Now we put everything on this side over here. Okay, what I gotta do, I want to put on this dish. And we take the guanciale out.
Salute, yeah.
Okay, the guanciale is done. Now what I gotta do, let me see. I put a little drop of the oil. I got the garlic. And we put the garlic first. And I want to put a little pepper. I don't want to do too much, maybe, because this is really spice. Okay, the garlic it's good, it's ready. The zucchini. Now we saute the zucchini a little bit to give a good taste with the garlic. And all the fat of the guanciale, it's a really, really good taste. And we give a little salute e cin cin ad everybody, cin cin. Okay.
Yeah, zucchini is from the garden and tomatoes from garden.
And the pepper is for the garden, and the basil is for the garden. Almost we got it. The only thing the guanciale, it's enough for the garden. And the gnocchi I was making, it's my own making gnocchi. Okay, now we got the tomato, and this look how beautiful this tomato.
It smells really good.
A little bit more I want to do.
Thank you for watching live show, yes.
I want to put a nice basil. I got so much basil, really, really good. I like to put the basil. It gives a really good taste.
It smells so good, the basil fresh.
All right. Okay, little salt.
I know we have so much beautiful basil outside. It's growing really nice. Always give good taste to everything.
Okay, we load the gas. Got the zucchini almost it's cooked. Gnocchi. Now we cook the gnocchi. Now this you gotta boil. And you gotta come up. Okay, look at this, the tomato is really good. Especially it's my tomato. Okay, we load the gas. I like the tomato when it's a little, not too much cook. It gotta be like a little crunchy, the zucchini. And with the gnocchi, oh, più belle ne, oh solo mia, sta fronte a te. See how nice the zucchini and the tomato?
Yeah, beautiful.
Now, don't you think we waited for the gnocchi to come up? Today I was so busy working with my tomato plants. Okay, it was the leaves. You see, the leaves, you don't make a tomato. And what I did, I take some of the leaves out. Like this, the tomato come more nice red, it got the sun. When you got too many leaves, it cover the tomato, it stay green all the time. I think I did a video when I take the leaves out, but I'm not sure. This in Italy, when I was in a farm, I was really young. I said to my father, "Why you cut the tomato?" He said, "No, I not cut the tomato. I take the leaves out." And I say, "Why?" And my father said like this to me, "The leaves, you don't make a tomato." Oh, it's why the leaves, you don't make a tomato. It's you got some of the leaves like this, and you cut the leaves like this, the tomato, it's right on the front of the sun, it's much better. Look how beautiful. Okay, now, what I want to do, I want to taste one. Gnocchi ready. Take it out. Okay, now we raise the gas a little bit.
Looks beautiful.
All right. We leave
It smells so good too.
we leave it cook a little bit now together like this, the boil it together, everything. But you see the tomato? It's the way it gotta be. Okay, you don't gotta cook too much, okay, after, it's too much cook, it's not too good. Okay, now, turn off the gas, everything. And I use one my dish. And we do like this. Okay, now I got this guanciale, and we put right on the top. And we use pecorino cheese. Good. Oh, the tomato, the guanciale, the gnocchi, look how beautiful. And plus, my oil baby. The tomato, it tastes really fresh. This is good. Really, really good. I want somebody to make it and let me know that it tastes really good. Okay? Salute e cincini everybody, and we see next video. And thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Thank you so much, everybody. Another thing, thank you. Okay, everybody write something, write good for me. And I'm so happy. My wife, when we put the computer on, she called me and said, look at this, look at that. Thank you. Salute, H&G. Thank you for the star and for your support. Chin chin.